2024 is a really challenging year here in Haizea Bilbao because we continue with our exponential growth. On top of our current offshore tower manufacturing business, we are launching a plant that will allow us to manufacture XXL monopiles. We are aiming to become the leader in offshore towers and foundations for the wind industry. In order to achieve this, what we need is a combination of technology, equipment, and facilities.
The biggest benefit we reach together with PEMA is that we are developed welding portals which are suitable for diameters up till 15 meters. It was a long process to develop this kind of equipment because it was never built before.
In our vision, we need to implement automation as much as possible.
So that's why we took the decision to speak for years in advance with PEMA how to increase welding deposit rate and other innovation techniques.
PEMA has provided cutting-edge 3-wire long stick-out submerged arc welding solutions for Haizea.
All our welding heads have 3-wire LSO welding, and this is one of the big steps we made together with PEMA.
This is really, in our products, is a benchmark, and no other company has been able to develop this before. On one side, with PEMA products, what we can achieve is stability. And stability is key because we are here in Haizea, it's an 800 employee facility. Different training levels, different senior expertise. So that's why what we need to find is the right equipment that allow us to make as less as possible dependent on the human factor. With the equipment that we have been supplied by PEMA, we have been able to overcome these difficulties.
We want to work with our suppliers for long term. For example, we have a long-term support agreement with PEMA. We have a long-term maintenance agreement with PEMA, and we're speaking now already about the future for developing new factories or upgrading existing factories.
Flow. Our cooperation between both companies has been full flow and cooperation. The customer service is outstanding. I would say PEMA never has let us when we have needed some solution. They've always been close to us, offering solutions. In a critical launch as this one for this plant with huge amount of welding equipment for PEMA, without some support, it's impossible to launch this efficiently. So I must say that we are very happy with the customer service and support received from PEMA. If you have a really strong collaboration, strong partnership and strong support, that can make the ramp up of a launch a big success.